Kung bibili ka rin lang ng bahay, bakit hindi yung malaking lupa na? Most homes today, maliit ang cut ng lot, dikit-dikit ang units at halos walang space para sa future expansion. Pero dito sa Lotus Village, Charlene Model, ibang level ang value. Imagine owning a complete finished home in Molino Three Bacoor with a spacious 149 square meter lot area, perfect for families na gusto ng mas comfortable at mas premium na lifestyle. Lot area 149 square meter, floor area 61.51 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 carport. At dahil pre-selling pa siya ngayon, mas mababa mo pa siyang makukuha compared kapag fully developed na ang project. And let's be real, properties in Bacoor continue to increase in value every year dahil sa development ng area at accessibility papuntang Metro Manila. Meaning, habang naghihintay ka, posibleng tumataas na rin ang presyo nito. At ang malalaking lot cuts tulad nito, sila usually ang unang nauubos. Total contract price, 7,837,280. Reservation fee, 50,000. 18 months DP, 62,533. Loanable amount, 6,661,688. Estimated monthly amortization, 51,648 for 20 years. Required income, 172,160. Kung gusto mo ng bahay na pwede mong tirahan, ma-enjoy ng family mo at magandang long-term investment, this is worth checking. Message us now for free house tour assistance and project presentation bago mag-price increase ulit. And if interested ka, comment Lotus 149 para masendan ka namin ng full details and sample computation.